Uh, all the best to Vivek.
Sir, I can't hear you. Maybe I guess you, yes, sir, you're muted.
All the best to Vivek, Arham, Divyansh, Devansh, and Abhishek and Kritagya. Yesterday I had pointed out chubby cheeks for you, and today I shift those chubby cheeks to Kritagya. He's looking very cute. So wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Sukhwan sir. All right. My first question is for Vivek. Vivek, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Vijay Hazare Trophy is associated with which sports? Vijay Hazare Trophy. Is it A, hockey, B, cricket, C, badminton, or D, shooting?
Sir, I want to my lifeline.
Which lifeline?
Take the question.
There's the question is left. वही मेरे को लगा था if you want to use your answer to this. Okay, so I'll flip the question for you. The question is, how many times have the men's Indian hockey team lifted the World Cup? Men's Indian hockey team ने कितनी बार World Cup उठाया है? Is it A 1, B 2, C 3 or D 4?
Sir, C.
C पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. B final. Yes, sir.
तो कौन सर आप बताना चाहेंगे?
विवेक का आंसर क्या ले लिया गया है? As is answer.
गलत है, गलत है.
Yes, my dear, you have gone for the wrong answer. The men's Indian hockey team has lifted the World Cup only once. Only once. And as far as Vijay Hazare Trophy is concerned, may I add the information?
Yes, sir. Please.
As far as the Vijay Hazare Trophy is concerned, it is associated with cricket. And it was started in 2002-2003 as a limited overs cricket match. And it involved state teams from the Ranji Trophy plates. And Vijay Hazare was one of the most famous Indian captains who captained India from 1951 to 53, and he is also remembered for being the first Indian cricket captain to lead the Indian cricket team to its first ever test victory in 1951-52 series with England, and that victory we had got at Madras.
Yeah. This is Chennai.
Yes, which is now called Chennai.
Madras.
Chitrakala ma'am is from there.
Yes. Madras, Vihar. And Sridevi ma'am is also, I guess, in Chennai only right now.
Okay.
No, she's not.
She's in Hyderabad.
Yeah, Hyderabad. Right. All right. No problem, Vivek. There are many opportunities still there. So, moving forward, my next question is for Aram. Aram, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Santosh Trophy is associated with the game of A. Cricket, B. Tennis, C. Football, or D. Badminton. Santosh Trophy.
Sir, I would like to flip the question.
सारी टाइप लाइट
Sports ऐसे ही जा रहा है.
चलो कोई नहीं. It's good at least they're using the light.
Yes, yes.
Letting them go to waste. All right. ओहो, ये तो बहुत अच्छा सवाल आया है. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century against which team? Is it A. Sri Lanka, B. Bangladesh, C. Pakistan, or D. South Africa? Sachin.
Would you repeat the options?
Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, South Africa.
Sir, I will go with Sri Lanka.
Oh. Sukhman sir.
पता नहीं क्यों गुरु की हेल्प नहीं ले रहे हमारे बच्चे.
सर वो हो चुकी है ना, लाइफलाइन जा चुकी है वो.
हाँ,
मेरी बाकी है.
शुरू में ले लेना था.
बाकी है यार. अच्छा अरब की बात है, अरब ने बोल दिया कि आखिरी में हिस्ट्री में पूछूंगा.
Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th Test century against Bangladesh.
That's right.
And as far as Santosh Trophy is concerned, it was Santosh Trophy is associated with football, and is an Indian football tournament, Santosh Trophy, in which different states and government institutes participate. This is held annually since 1941, and Bengal was the first winner of this competition. And this trophy, Santosh Trophy, is named after the late Maharaja Manmatha Nath Roy Chaudhary of Santosh, which is now in Bangladesh.
That's
So
right.
Santosh is not name of the persons. The person against whom this trophy is named is Maharaja, I am repeating it, Manmatha Nath Roy Chaudhary.
Of Santosh, he was from Santosh.
He was from Santosh. Yes.
Right. All right. No problem, Aram. No problem. No points for you. Moving forward to Divyansh. Divyansh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Who among the following is known as Paioli Express? Paioli Express किसको बोला जाता है? Is it A. Shiny Ibrahim, B. P.T. Usha, C. Jyotimir Mois Sikdar, या D. K.M. Beena Mall?
Sir, can you repeat that word, sir? Express.
Paioli Express. Paioli Express.
Sir, P.T. Usha.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Sukhwan sir?
Yes, he is right, sir. He is right. Divyansh is right. Congratulations. She is fondly called, P.T. Usha is fondly called as Paioli Express for her awesome speed. And P.T. Usha became a trendsetter for women in India who took to excelling in sports. She is the youngest Indian sprinter at the age of 16 to compete in the Olympics at the 1980 Moscow Games. She has been conferred with Padma Shri and Arjuna Award. The legendary athlete is now actually involved in running the Usha School of Athletes in Kozhikode.
That's right. Thank you so much, sir. P.T. Usha is the correct answer, Divyansh. Good job. Devansh, moving forward to you. Are you ready? All right. Indian Sports Research Institute is located in A. Ranchi, B. Delhi, C. Mohali, या D. Patiala? Patiala is the correct answer. Patiala is also the sports city of India, by the way. Sukhwan sir, मैंने क्या बोल दिया? Sorry sir.
It was founded, this Indian Sports Research Institute was founded in Patiala in 1961. Its full name is Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports, commonly known as NIS, the Academy Wing of Sports Authority of India, that is SAI, and we need to be proud of the fact that this is Asia's largest sports institute, for which I think the youth of our country, those who are interested, those who are keen in sports, should look forward to getting trained over here. Thank
Yeah.
you.
वो मूवी देखी थी ना? कौन सी थी? वो जो दो गीता फोगाट
Yes.
and कविता फोगाट
Dangal.
पटियाला जाते हैं, remember?
It was in Dangal. Amir Khan's
Yeah,
Dangal.
Dangal, sir, Dangal. That's right. All right. Good job, Devansh. Good job, Devansh. 10 points for you. Moving forward to Kritagya. Kritagya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee located? International Olympic Committee located. Is it A. France, B. Switzerland, C. USA, or D. England?
Switzerland.
Sudwan,
Yes, sir. Yes, he is right, absolutely right. The International Olympic Committee is located in Switzerland. It is a not-for-profit, independent international organization that is committed to building a better world through sports. It was created on 23rd June 1894, just under 2 years before the first Olympic Games of the modern era in April 1896. And the IOC is the supreme authority of the Olympic movement.
That's right. Thank you so much, Sudwan sir. Last but not the least, the Abhishek, it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the spirit. Footballer Iker Casillas, who announced his retirement recently, belongs to which nation? Is it A, Brazil, B, Spain, C, Portugal, or D, Croatia?
Sir, can you repeat the options?
Brazil, Spain, Portugal, Croatia.
Sir, it's Spain.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right, Abhishek. Iker Casillas is belonging to Spain. He is a World Cup winning captain and goalkeeper. He announced his retirement in 2014 and he became one of 4 players to represent Spain at 4 World Cups. Popularly, he is called as San Iker, which means Saint Iker, for his ability to produce spectacular saves. Those of you who are interested in football, I would recommend you to go home and watch on YouTube his spectacular saves. You will be absolutely spellbounded to watch the kinds of saves that he did for his country. And because of that, because of his commitment, because of his skill, he's known by many as one of the best goalkeepers and by few as the greatest ever.
Right, that's right. Casillas. So,
And well done, all of you children. And I would request the entire team to once again, towards the end of the quiz, to ask these lovely boys to introduce themselves again, because initially few of us had missed it. So
Yeah.
towards the end of the show, I would request you to again tell them to introduce themselves.
I will definitely do that, sir.
Thank you,
We'll
thank you,
try
thank
to-
you,
we have
thank you,
time
boys.
when, we'll be given after this, before the lightning round, we have a break of 1 minute and they'll introduce themselves over there.
Okay,
At that time.
okay.
All right. My next question is for my lovely subscribers. I hope you guys are ready. India has jointly won International Chess Olympiad with which nation? Is it A, Japan, B, China, C, wait. Is it A, Japan, B, China? Alright, because the answers, what I'm seeing, the options what I'm seeing are not correct, by the way. So, let me quickly see the question, what is there. So, is it A, Japan, B, China, C, South Korea, or D, Russia? Audience, the option is Japan, China, South Korea, और रशिया. किसके साथ इंडिया ने चेस ओलंपियाड जीता था?
बंद कर दी।
इंटरनेशनल चेस ओलंपियाड जापान के साथ, चाइना के साथ, साउथ कोरिया के साथ या रशिया के साथ? Time is up. Would anybody like to answer? Yes, Devansh?
Russia.
Russia is the correct answer. That's right. Good job, Devansh. You